My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to this program of SMET, Self-Management of Excessive Tension. So this program essentially is to deal with our stresses and tensions which we all generate in our normal life. When we are doing our action, we are bound to develop these stresses and tensions. But if we do not reduce these tensions and stresses, then these things will mount up and start hitting, and we may end up with many challenges. A heart problem, or it can be the brain stroke, it could be diabetes, or it could be hypertension, it could be asthma. Several types of modern NCDs can come up. Therefore, it is very essential that we should reduce the stresses on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Normally, our good sleep is going to bring about this relaxation. But can we have a better way of releasing the stresses in a shorter duration, much more effectively? Our Upanishads give us the trick as to how to do that. The Karika of the Mandukya Upanishad gives us the trick that within about half an hour, we have developed this module called SMET, which can give so much of rest, which is more than 3 times of 6 hours of good sleep. For example, 6 hours of good sleep gives you 9% reduction in the metabolic rate, which is equivalent to 9% rest. But if we do this 30 to 35 minutes of this SMET program, it is going to bring about 32% reduction in the metabolic rate. How is this possible? That is the trick contained in the Karika. Normally when you sleep, slowly the metabolic rate starts coming down and it will get saturated. It will be 9%. So when it is coming down, getting saturated, then again you stimulate and relax. Stimulate, relax, stimulate, relax. When you go on doing these things, it will come deeper and deeper, and that happens. Laye sambodhayet, vikshiptam shamayet. When the mind is going to the stupor, lousiness, sleepiness and stagnation, awaken it. Then you will come up to wakefulness. Then again relax. Go on doing that again and again you will get to deeper and levels. This is a trick that has been given, which forms the basis of all good sadhana in the world. And this is the one that we have adopted in our SMET module, which is only 30 to 35 minutes. And you are welcome to watch this video and look at this wonderful technique that have been given by our ancient yoga masters thousands of years back in our country, which have been brought forth into the modern ways. And I wish you all the best to learn this SMET fully, totally, effectively, and use it in our life on a daily basis to prevent diseases, promote positive health, and also deal with different diseases. Wish you all the best. Thank you.